Every now and then, a new product arrives that changes everything. Introducing aircruiser, the ultimate game changer in the world of rooftop tents. Aircruiser offers more space, more mobility, and more freedom than ever before. Experience the power of automatic functionality. At the push of a button, aircruiser uses the power of your vehicle to set up instantly, so you have more time to enjoy your trip. No pulls, no pumping, no stress. The patented structure offers a luxurious interior with a record-breaking 57 inches of headspace, giving you room to truly stretch out and enjoy your surroundings. Aircruiser provides this huge space in an unbelievably lightweight package. With best-in-class weight reduction, it's the lightest rooftop tent on the market and maintains a compact size with next-generation space-saving design. Not only does this mean better handling and fuel economy, it makes aircruiser the most versatile rooftop tent ever made. Installable on any vehicle in less than 5 minutes, from compact cars to SUVs, pickup trucks, and vans. And with more than 50 years of industry experience and innovation behind it, it has expression stitched into every scene. Enjoy the breathtaking beauty of nature like never before with aircruiser. 6 windows and doors provide unobstructed vision, making it the perfect room with a view. Whether you're waking up to stunning scenery or stargazing through the skylights before bed, the aircruiser's panoramic views are always as spectacular as nature itself. Time to turn in? Just close the blackout curtains and dim the fully integrated LED lighting. You'll drift off to sleep in no time on the built-in high-density mattress with a super soft peach skin thermal cover. It's the ultimate camping experience. But aircruiser's not just about convenience and space. It's about adventure and exploration, the ability to follow the trail wherever it leads you. So it's built tough. Constructed to exacting ISO standards and tested from top to bottom over 4 years by the world-leading rooftop tent manufacturers, aircruiser is a true 4-season tent. Temperature tested from -4 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Created by the collaboration of 2 visionary outdoor brands, Cinch and Wildland, aircruiser is the first in the next generation of rooftop tents. A 4-season, self-assembling, technologically advanced, super lightweight rooftop tent that is ready to take you anywhere you want to go. Join us on Kickstarter to get exclusive access to this once-in-a-lifetime tent. Back aircruiser now, and let's begin our adventure together.